In this video we are going to see about the R. R is nothing but it is a statistical tool which is used widely for different types of analysis, example regression or forecasting, and many other things can be done with R. So why we need to use R? Because R is a free version, it can be easily downloadable and it can be user friendly. So if you need to download R, there are two applications you need to download. So first you need to download the R. So you can surf in Google and you can see the download R 3.6.1. so if you open it, you can see here and you can just download and install it. So after installing the R, you need to install the RStudio. So meanwhile you can also install the RStudio as well, and you can see RStudio desktop. It is free of user friendly and you can download it. So after installing both R and RStudio, so this is R. So what is the difference between R and RStudio? So here you can see there is only console in the sense it is nothing but a command tool. We need to give a set of instructions for the software to run, so we can give those instructions in the console. So while in RStudio you can see four types of workspace. So first we will see here. So there are three tabs: environment, history and connections. So in environment you can just import your data sets, either it may be in a data Excel format or in SPSS or in stat or in stata, anything it may be, you can import it, and you can also import from notepad. So you can easily import from environment tab. And history in the sense whatever the things whatever the instructions or whatever the data analysis you have been doing, so those files will be stored here. And meanwhile you can see here, if you need any help regarding the commands or formulas, if you don't know, you can easily approach here and you can just find and you can get some help. So like that you can do. And if you, for example, if you see here, so you can see these commands, so you can use those codes and you can easily operate it. And in this you can also see there are different types of packages which is used widely by different sector or different aspects. So you can see different packages which are being there. If you need those packages, you can just click and install it. So whatever the things it is being installed, it will indicate in a tick mark. And you can see here, this is the console. So you can see now, see the difference between the R and RStudio. So R is nothing but it is initially developed software, whereas RStudio is recently updated one. In this you have a different options. So you can console, as I earlier said, a console is nothing but where you will be giving some codes or commands for your data to be analyzed. And this is called the script or some workspace, which is the envelope. In this you can see there are different types you can open. So RScript is nothing but, so whatever the codes you are using for a particular type of analysis, you can just store the codes and you can just use it whenever you need by just clicking the run button. So if you, for example, if you have different data sets and you need to separately analyze it, but the method is same, so you can just script in this script you can just make sure of all your formulas has been pasted, and by selecting all you just click run and you can use it many number of times. Okay, so this is a simple intro about the R. Thank you lot.